Good time to all of you, all the research scholars, and my research advisor, Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya. And as for the title is concerned, today's this paper is a case study of web content mining in handling cybercrime. Before explaining the content, I would like to say about abstract. In this paper, we delineate how a web crawl tool is used for web content mining in the case of website, which is culprit website involved in the three crimes of sedition, state emblem of India, and cheating crime. We present a few snapshots of the culprit website's home page from Wayback Mission, a web crawl tool for internet archiving websites. We present how they serve as a cyber intelligence alternative for countering cybercrime. Let us coming about the cyber forensics. Cyber forensics is the field of study with respect to forensic evidence related to on web data and resources. True back the cyber check, FDAC, FRAN, mobile check, ADB-CRD analysis, NISA, and WinLift, etc. are various cyber forensic tools indigenously developed by CDAC Trivandrum, India. In this paper, cheating crime and sedition crime are presented as the cyber crimes of interest towards handling unlawful organized activity with respect to JNTUH. Web archiving. The Internet Archiving is a non-profit digital library. It is based on San Francisco. It is an activist organization that advocates for a free and fair internet. The Internet Archive allows the public to upload and download digital materials to its data clusters. The bulk of its data is collected automatically by its web crawlers. Its web crawlers work to preserve as much of a public web as possible. Wayback Mission. The Internet Archive Wayback Mission is a tool to capture snapshots of web pages or websites online. It is an automated system to generate an archive that contains travel archives of websites. As of 1st July 2015, it contains 23 petabytes of data. Currently, it is growing at the rate of 50 to 60 terabytes per week. This eclipses the amount of text contained in the world's largest library, including Library of Congress. Visitors to the Wayback Mission can type in a URL, select a data date range, and then begin surfing on an archive version of web. Citation and cheating. Citation. The citation law penalizes any spoken or written words or visible representations, etc., which have the effect of bringing or which attempt to bring into hatred or contempt or excite or attempt to excite uh, disaffection towards the government established by law. Cheating. Cheating could be a case of whoever cheats and thereby dishonestly include the person deceived any property to a person or to make alter or destroy the whole or any part of the valuable security or anything which is signed or sealed and which is capable of being converted into a valuable security shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a team which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. Capturing snapshots of the culprit's website's homepage. Two snapshots of the culprit's websites are shown below in the period of 12th November 2011 to 1st August 2015. They are results of web crawling. They are dated 13th February 2012 and 18th April 2012 as per the automated web travels by Wayback Mission. The two web travels captured an image with a logo of RHS, which contains Indian national emblem. We find mention of Government of Telangana in the logo of the right hand side. This is not only a sea god but also as god. This F god is misleading and cheating the nation. And we have got a snapshot of the website which is run by JNTU H of Jack. Let us come to the finally a conclusion. The culprit of government of Telangana is involved in three crimes altogether clearly in this paper: sedition crime and cheating crime, and highlighted. The web content mining results drawing from Wayback Mission, a web travel tool, clearly prove the crimes. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.